Hi, I'm Richard Bailey of RB Gas Plumbing and Heating Services in Oxford. We are the leading plumbing and heating specialists for letting agents, landlords and private customers throughout the Oxford area. Our team offers a professional, reliable and affordable service, and we are always punctual. We are qualified to work on domestic, natural gas and LPG installations across a comprehensive range of services. We install, service and maintain gas boilers, central heating systems and bathrooms. We offer a 24/7 call-out service for regular customers, and we guarantee to answer the emergency phone no matter what time you call, day or night. Thank you for your interest in RB Gas. To book an appointment, please call us on Oxford 01865 200 902.